Dear friends, good morning and namaskar. I, Jaswant Singh Kelasia, welcomes you in our YouTube channel, Parad Germinates the Democracy. This channel also having an Hindi version named as Parad Loktantra Ka Ankuran. This channel is an official channel of our newly launched political party, Parad. We consider that our this political party is the first and the lonely political party of India. We have prepared a vision document of this party, and nowadays we are discussing about the contents of some important chapter of this vision document. Now, in this episode, we are discussing the contents of chapter 16 of the vision document. The title of this chapter is Some Statements, Strengths, Concepts, and Analysis of the Parad. This chapter has been divided into 7 parts. This episode belongs to the third part of this chapter 16. As we have requested in previous episodes that our party's vision document is purely technical in nature and we are not perfect in speaking the English language, so we are directly reading the contents of this chapter like this. 22. In India, there are much discussions and hot debates on the problem issues of reservation, Babri Masjid disputes, Kashmir problems, terrorism, nationalism, problem of small 7 states of northeast, and the Bhutan problem of boundary dispute with China and Pakistan, etc. The study of Parad revealed that basically and actually these are not the problem of Indian people, but in real sense all these problems have been created by the ruling class of India. Parad staunchly believed that when the chance shall be available to Parad, then all these problems shall be eradicated completely within 1 year. 23. There are plenty of two very big things are found in all over India in abundance, faith and hurting the religious sentiments. Our study reveals that both these things concepts are working as a scientific law of limiting factor in the Indian societies. These thoughts concepts have been become very tremendous and extensive that they have exactly demolished the constitution of India and dragged the country into a middle age era. 24. The study of Parad revealed that in India the problem are being tried to solve superficially without knowing their root causes. Hence, due to this, not even that the problems are being perpetuated, but they gained a gigantic shape and turned into a very serious. The Parad cell tried its best to solve the problems and put forward the ultimate solution under the world famous scientific principle invented by Comrade Mao Zedong, law of contradiction. 25. In all over India, the things and activities we find in abundance, and for those there are huge hue and cry of development, development, and the stream of development of Ganga is flowing. This development or progress limited to only materialistic progress development due to such type of Ganja's flood of development progress appear that moral progress development has been drained and eroded completely. In the country where we see the problem of social unrest, violence, intolerance, separatism, terrorism, drastic and acute economic disparities, etc. Behind these all problems, actually, reasons are that moral progress has been totally neglected until coordination and the equilibrium between materialistic development progress and moral development progress would not be established and been maintained, these problems shall become more and more serious. Farad advocates of maintaining coordination and equilibrium between both materialistic development progress and moral development progress. 26. It is a established historical fact that in all the civilization culture of the world, there has been a concept and tradition of the master and the slave, but there were never a divine and religious sanction for these traditions. But the ruling class of India incorporated the divine and religious cultural sanctions in this inhuman tradition. Our study revealed that in India there is a old history of continuous invasion and a few warriors conquered this great Indian subcontinent very easily. For these invasions amongst so many regions, there was a major and the prime reason was that this divine religious cultural sanction in the concept of tradition of the master and the slave. 27. The claim of Parad. Parad is the first and the only political party group of the country. 28. The Independent Day 15 August 1947 really is not a independent day. Actually, this day is a day of transfer of power from Britishers European ruling class to the Indian ruling class. Actually, there must be Liberation Day with a great joy and enthusiasm. 29. In India, what independency has come on 15 August 1947, it has come very, very early and premature. In other words, what the electoral system and democratic system adopted by the ruling class of India, for these the common people of India were not matured enough so that they can customarize and well acquainted with them for the purpose of establishment of well represented government and governance as per the principle of definition of democracy. This prematurity resulted a very badly that in India real democratic system could not be established, and hence due to this there are so many problems exist in India. 30. In India there are grave violations of liberty, fraternity, equality, safeguards of human rights, equal justice to all, proportional distribution and consumption of all resources, safeguards of status and dignity, power of self-determination, fundamental rights of to protect, profess, and to develop the religion and culture, etc. Though all these things are ensured according to the United Nations Organization, charters, declaration, as per the Geneva Convention and covenants. 31. In India, in place of manifestation and establishment of modern concept, there is a fast trend of manifestation and establishment of medieval age concepts of the king and the subject. 32. Because of the manifestation and establishment of concept of the king and the subject. Slowly and gradually, India is going to convert into a theocratic, imperialistic, capitalistic state. If we say that it has been converted, then this shall not be a exaggeration. Against the elements enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution as establishment of a state of secular, democratic, socialistic society. 33. According to the established fact of the political science, social science, and anthropology and history, India is not a nation state, but there are so many nationalities in a state, country. According to these principles, these facts are also established that a nation, group of the people may be extended, existed in so many countries, states. Dear friends, with this, we are concluding the third part of this chapter 16. Thanks for being with us. Namaskar.